come back. This me can't take with this bumper. That's something I know. Soon forward chat. Chat, let's start here. Welcome my people and welcome to your vlog. So me even go no long talking we do today. You see, me just go post some vlogs for you know. I say that's when we can have a longer form a video and see the behind the scenes of what me do at daytime. Anyways, the first order of business.
Lock in for a nigga.
Let's get that on there. That's all we need. So I brush my teeth, put on my pants, put on my shirt, go link my mother, start up a power saw, you see, chop up few trees that she can get for that we can get to put up his coal scale because we're gonna make some coal. See you in our next clip. See the no chat, my chest not ready for go in the bush. As you can see, watch in the pants. In the tall pants we go in the bush because I want to itch, scratch, pitch, pat. Get out of here, man! Maybe let's go. So, what we need. Device. What else am I going to need? I think that's it. Oh. I maybe carry the tripod stand with this step on right now. That's what you can see. When me are ring ding 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 ding, revoke people was ring ding 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 ring ding ding ring ding 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 ring ding ring ding 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 ding. See you know when tell me I go down the hill, because we have to live power hill. So see you in the next clip.
2,000 years later.
Yeah, chat. Then the thing go. I go down the hill and now. Yeah, so we can, and the way down we can show you a couple trees over that. As you can see, right on the left, coconut tree, a tree coconut tree the other side. Young one still, you know, no coconut and the part them. Obviously a young coconut tree. And as you can see right there, so tell me what kind of tree this in the chat. Maybe even I go in the comments, tell me what kind of tree this in the chat. When you see type of fruit them with the pan. Is it? Is it? Probably by the end of the video, me tell you now what kind of fruit. If you know, guess right, now if you leave a like. And as you can see, the plum tree, they're right near it. So this is a calm little video me I do, you see me? Good for living in a bush now. All the people them will live at town and I watch this, or live in a city them and I watch this. I'm supposed to feel, I don't know, sad down.
I'm done. Cut the show.
Ah, yeah, so you go. The me I say, alright, so I'm going to terrorize Mummy. Reach down a your yard. So over here, so we have some whole heap of lime and hybrid lime and lemon sitting going over this. So all the them over this so and pear tree. So reach down so one little plum tree there. We just pass. You see me? FYI chat, me no worry for people. As in like they say once you see string them you stop dance. So basically that me start do. This is a pear tree. Loaded, you know. Loaded, and I second time it a beer. You see, second time this a pear tree a beer and it loaded. Abe, we not get none.
What I do?
I see more pear tree over this so when this distance. I don't know if you can see, you know, but when time me edit maybe see if you can see. Yeah, you not go hear mommy now when time we reach over here. You hear my chat already. Watch out, we are going to sneak in. Let's hear what I say.
Don't have to stop to hear them writing some of them.
Police, up now, police. Police, open the door.
Chop up here. Police there.
Yeah.
The police there. I hate him. Janker dog shit. I'm talking about police.
Police, police.
Police, your mother. Police where? Police, your mother. You know me, I tell him so.
Yeah, but again. Oh, this man, me set the next ice them, you know.
Oh, you know, to say, in my house check up.
And so?
I mean, and so, me thump in your face, man, about and so what?
And so? Oh, that jug lad. Yeah, I free now. Yeah, yeah, man. He goes so, man, he goes so.
Tap it, people tell me a karate, man, tap it.
What? This is our next time, man. I mean, I don't tell him.
What? Soon for we will chat, me I go line up the same thing and then we go in the bush. So just I show you chat them a while ago, you hear them. I go back in the bush chat, we have it tool them. We have it tool them. Ready up. Ready yo. Ready like ready yo. Yeah. Everybody go rung, rev up his all. See me? We dropped the hole.
How? How did they think that was okay to even put it in the game?
I know we'll eat me have to chop up over here, so just look. That me a chop. Yeah. You don't chop up some of them already and see you want a rain will fall, bush, take them over already. See it, but they know already themselves. See it. Got a remedy for them. So make me put it down. Put it down. Start up with sauce. See it. No, say enough of this me have to go cut out. You see what I say? Someone say. You have in gas, you have in oil. Because so I go and feed first. Oh. Pumbo. This me can't take with this bumbo rascal thing here, you know. Soon for our chat. Chat, let me start you up, yeah. Now start you up again. You come with me. Watch me whip. That's how you do it. So for all of the people that would if you say me dey out there, I'm soft. No, me not soft. Rough as it. Rough. Youth rough. Countryman setting, that's it. We have our pants already. I go and do little cuttings and then me get back with you know. Soon forward. So chat. So me reach back up on the yard now. You see, me finish for the day because me tap when time me feel like, you know. I like me out for nobody. As me say, me and my mother go put up on a cold skill. Make some coal. Anyways, me I go eat some Sunday, Monday. Cool down a little bit. Then we go river go deep. When time we reach a river, then we link with the back. Chat, how much year you feel say they would have give me for this? Eh? 15 years they say, you know. But I wonder if I would have get more for this. Bye. Be nutrients. Be minerals. Be a goodness. Yeah, ginger good for you. Oh, you mean? I mean, have gun ginger them, you see it?